Totoo ba na kapag January to March ay mas maraming job vacancies? Nag-resign ka ba agad pagkatapos makuha ang 13th month pay mo? Hi, I'm Chelsea, one of the sourcing specialists here at Orbit for almost 5 years. Tara, pag-usapan natin yan. So, bakit nga ba maraming nagre-resign after ng December? Karamihan kasi sa kanila, nagtitiis muna buong taon kahit gusto na talaga nilang umalis. Kasi sayang naman, di ba? 13th month pay yun. Syempre, pang Pasko, pang bayad ng bills, pang travel, bago mag-New Year. Pagdating ng January, ayun, maraming nagpa-file ng resignation kasi nga gusto nila New Year, New Me, New Job. Pero yung iba naman, gusto lang talaga ng fresh start. Now, eto yung tanong. Totoo bang mas maraming job vacancies from January to March? Actually, oo, totoo siya. Bakit? Kasi maraming companies ang nagre-realign ng budget at nagbubukas ng bagong roles sa first quarter ng taon. New Year, new projects, at syempre, kailangan nila ng bagong manpower for the whole year. January is preparation month. Kakabalik pa lang ng mga hiring managers after the holidays. Kaya kahit nagpo-post sila ng mga openings, may waiting period pa. Apply early at maghintay ng response later. February is a peak hiring period. Maraming companies ang nasa active hiring stage at nagsisimula ng mag-interview. Kaya dapat i-level up mo ang resume mo at maging proactive sa pag-follow up. March continues the momentum. Di pa rin sila nagmamadali pero madaming opportunities. This is your time to stay consistent sa pag-apply. So kung naiisip mong mag-move on sa current job mo, maybe this is your sign. January to March might be the best time para maghanap ng bagong opportunities. Agree ka ba o meron ka ng plano? Share mo sa comments, gusto kong malaman kung anong experience mo.